Today we will be showing you how to make creamy garlic skillet chicken with spinach. You will need 1 pound of chicken cutlets, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 3 large cloves of grated garlic, a half a cup of dry white wine, 2 cups of coarsely chopped fresh spinach, and a half a cup of heavy cream. It is important to note that when thawing frozen chicken, the poultry should not be left out at room temperature. This is because it can reach the temperature danger zone of 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When in the temperature danger zone, bacterial growth is accelerated, which can lead to foodborne illness. To safely defrost, the chicken should be thawed either in the refrigerator, under cold running water, or microwave. If you choose to thaw it in the microwave, make sure to cook it immediately. To prepare the chicken, first season the chicken with half of the measured salt and pepper. Next, heat the oil in the skillet over medium heat. Next, place the chicken in the pan and cook until brown, which means it is thoroughly cooked. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Make sure to flip the chicken at least once to ensure that the chicken cooks evenly. The chicken will cook through conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact. The stove burners transfer heat to the pan, and the pan then transfers heat to the chicken. Furthermore, heat is also conducted from the outside to the inside of the chicken for thorough cooking. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer the cooked chicken to a Then add the garlic to the pan and stir it in the pan for about 30 seconds. Increase the heat to medium-high. Add the wine and cook for about a minute or until the wine volume is slightly reduced. Return the heat to medium. Then add the spinach, cream, and the remaining salt and pepper to the pan and stir. Let simmer for about 2 minutes. There are lots of structural changes that happen within the spinach when we apply heat. The spinach becomes a bright green color because the air spaces between the cells that help separate the color pigments from one another are removed, which brings the pigments closer together. The cell walls are also degraded, which deflate the cells as water is released. These cells also contain starches, which will soften in the presence of both heat and water. Starch granules will soak up the water, softening and swelling until they burst to form a meshwork of starch molecules that hold onto water. This results in a starchy gel. Transfer the plated chicken back to the pan and coat with the sauce. Now the chicken is ready to serve. This chicken can be eaten by itself or served over white rice.